Welcome to MAXSafes. Today we'll guide you through setting up your MAXSafes Fireproof and Waterproof Home Safe. Remove the keypad cover. Use the backup keys to unlock the safe. Make sure both keys work properly. Insert a 9-volt battery into the slot at the back. To open using the default code, enter 159 and pound. To set a new code, locate the program button inside. Press it once, then enter your new passcode and press pound to confirm. Re-enter the same passcode and press pound again to confirm. You can now open your safe using your new passcode. Thank you for choosing MAXSafes. If you need help or support, please visit maxsafes.com.